guys, it's Pro Gamer Dog Rhymes. I changed my name. Hey, Grandma, I'm making a YouTube video.
What are you doing?
And I actually changed my name. So.
I need you to clean this mess up.
I will. Ooh, it's so pretty. But you need to use shampoo. Uncle Brian spilled most of it yesterday. But you can just keep mixing the shampoo. And then you add a little bit of salt. You don't need much. Alright. This probably isn't going to work because I looked at this recipe online and a lot of people commented on that video. It didn't work, I tried it. Ow. Alright, then it got tired. Add that. I would watch until the end of this video just to make sure the slime turns out the way you want it to. So let's use some shaving cream. I'm gonna bet $5 this isn't gonna work. What's that? Thanks. Alright. This probably isn't going to work because it's already failing. Alright. So let's just add some more Tide. I'm just adding random things to this. But I mean, the guy really did show me how to do this, but I'm just adding like more random things. Don't touch this. Ooh, I can't touch it. Nope. It looks so bad. Look. It looks like... Let's taste it. Just kidding. I didn't drink it. That'd be retarded. But, gotta keep mixing. See, look like it drips down. I'm gonna add a little bit of flour. So like that. I added like that much. Then you mix it. This probably isn't gonna work, guys, so don't try this yet. I'm just gonna add a load of Tide. See, like, the cap isn't normal, like, it's so big, so I'm just gonna, like, kind of add, like, instead of a lot of salt. A lot of shaving cream. Yeah. But anyways, guys, that's it for the video. And it was a total fail, so I wouldn't try this. I mean, I'm not really that upset. Because I chose to do this. So, yeah. This has to be the most ugly stuff I've ever seen. See you next time.